the wreckage of a regional airline flight which went missing in Alaska has been found, with all 10 people on board dead. The US Coast Guard said the small commuter aircraft had gone missing on Thursday. It was found on Friday about 34 miles southeast of Nome. USCELT Commander Mike Salerno told that 2 rescue swimmers have discovered 3 bodies inside the plane, while the remaining 7 are believed to be inside the wreckage. However, they're inaccessible at this time because of the plane's condition. Salerno added, 10 people, including 9 passengers and a pilot, were on board the Cessna Caravan craft, operated by Bering Air, when its position was lost on Thursday afternoon. Alaska State Troopers noted that the aircraft was going from Unalakleet to Nome, both of which are separated by the Norton Sound Inlet in western Alaska. It lost its position around 12 miles 19 km offshore. Coast Guard LT Commander Benjamin McIntyre Coble earlier said that at around 3:18 p.m. local time on Thursday, it experienced some kind of event which caused them to experience a rapid loss in elevation and a rapid loss in speed, ended its search for the missing plane after the aircraft was located approx 34 miles southeast of Nome. 3 individuals were found inside and reported to be deceased. Read a post on the official X handle of USC Alaska. It noted that the remaining 7 were believed to be inside the aircraft, but were inaccessible. Our heartfelt condolences are with those affected by this tragic incident, it added. It also shared a photograph on the social media platform that shows the aircraft in pieces in snowy terrain. With support from the Federal Aviation Administration, the National Transportation Safety Board is conducting an investigation into the incident.